Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to Wednesday. Today is August. Oh, no, it's not. It's September 2nd, and this is lesson 7 in our first ELA unit, English Language Arts. So I have your story, I have your to-do list, and a few other things I'm going to talk to you about. The first thing you're going to do is listen to the story My Brother Charlie again. Good readers, reread stories. So reading it once, they don't always catch everything, but reading it twice, they catch on to new information. Plus, if you read it again today, it'll be fresh in your brain as you do the activities. So the story is up here on your Wednesday page for you to listen to again. Okay? And then you're going to listen to the 5Ws anchor chart video, which is the one I'm making right now. Okay, so you'll see that popped up. I have a picture of our 5Ws anchor chart also uploaded. So the 5Ws is the questions you ask about a story. Like, where does it happen? That's talking about the setting. Where does the story take place? Who does it involve? So who are the characters that we're talking about? What is the issue? So what's the problem they are focusing on in the story? When did it begin happening? Okay, so sometimes it starts at the beginning of the story. Sometimes you don't start seeing the problem until closer to the middle. And why does it happen? Okay, why does our problem become a problem that needs to be solved in the story? What causes the problem? Okay, so those are the things good readers ask about when they read a story. They ask about the where, who, what, when, and why of a story. After you listen to the story again, you are going to be getting on Seesaw to do a graphic organizer on the 5W. Graphic organizer will look like this. This is the paper copy, and it's got all the 5Ws and some lines for you to write on. It's got the who, what, when, where, and why. Okay, so after you listen to this video, you're going to be getting onto Seesaw to complete that graphic organizer. There's also a clean park activity on Seesaw where you're going to write a quick little paragraph, a little reading response in a journal and take a picture of it and upload it. This helps us think about why a character's actions affect the plot of a story. So how do the choices a character makes change the problem in the story or the solution in the story or change anything about the story? So that's what we're going to talk about with our clean park activity. After you finish that, you can spend a little bit of time on typing.com, then read to self for 20 minutes. Make sure you're setting that timer to get your full 20 minutes. You can read to self, or you can also read to an adult at home. It's even sometimes fun to read to a stuffed animal. And then if you have time, you can get on the Teach Your Monster to read for a few minutes. Okay, and that's our whole to-do list for today. So make sure once you're done here on your PowerSchool page, you go over to your Seesaw page and you're going to be completing the Clean Park activity and the 5Ws graphic organizer.